Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little pot. It's part of my Lily of the Valley pattern, but you can use this pot for many other crochet plants too. For round 1, make a magic ring and chain 3. Then crochet 16 double crochets into the magic ring. So 1, 2, and continue to do the double crochet stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. You should have 16 stitches. For round 2, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, then make 16 double crochets, increase stitches all the way around, starting in the same stitch as the beginning chain 3. An increase means making 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Join with a slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. At the end of this round, you will have 32 stitches. Now the bottom part of the pot is complete. Next, let's make the sides. For round 3, chain 3, then work 32 double crochets in the back loop only. This back loop row helps the pot begin folding upward and creates the base of the side. Join with a slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. You should still have 32 stitches at the end of the round. For the next 3 rows, we will use front post double crochets to finish the sides of the pot and create that nice textured look. Let's start. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, yarn over, then insert your hook behind the first vertical double crochet post from the previous row. And now complete the double crochet as usual. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That gives you your first front post double crochet. Now yarn over, insert your hook around the vertical post of the next double crochet from the previous row and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Finish the double crochet as usual, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Repeat this technique all the way around until you reach the end of the row. Join with a slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. You should have 32 stitches at the end. Continue the same technique for the next 2 rows. For round 5, chain 3 and make 32 front post double crochets. And then in the end, join with a slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet stitch. For round 6, chain 3 and again make 32 front post double crochets. Use totally the same technique as you did before. All your double crochets should go not to the regular stitch, but to the front post double crochet from the previous row. Join with a slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet stitch. You should have 32 stitches in the end of this round. Don't cut the yarn yet, because next we're going to make the hanging strings, which is 55 chain stitches total. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and follow me for more tutorials, and I will see you next time.